As you see, I'm talking, my hands are moving, and when my hands, and if there's somebody in that room that when you do that, if you're someone that speaks with your hand, and all of a sudden you see somebody just watching your hand like move, and you'll catch it real fast. And so for them, they're not able to pay attention to what you're saying, and because they're too busy watching your hands. So can you have the ability just to sit there and keep your hands still so they can pay attention to what the message is. So again, that's just one of the things about communication, and then of course collaboration. You want to break up as many silos as you can, because I'm going to tell you this, family, the more you can get people collaborating together, not only will they be watching your back, you watch and you'll be watching their back as well. So that way, hey, if I fall or I slip, you got me, and vice versa. I'm not going to let you fail, and you're not going to let me fail. That means we're all going to win. And the last and final point, family, is understanding risk management and IT.